Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vanity lights that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the LED Vanity Mirror Lights by LPH Mumex. This product is all about simplicity and affordability without sacrificing functionality. With 10 feet of ultra-bright white LEDs at 6,000 K, these lights are perfect for those who want a Hollywood-style vanity setup on a budget. The touch dimmer control is smart and intuitive, letting you adjust the brightness to your liking easily. Plus, the waterproof design makes this a versatile option for both bathrooms and bedrooms. In terms of build quality, the LPH Mumex lights use durable plastic that feels lightweight yet sturdy. Installation is completely hassle-free. No drilling, no assembly. Just stick the lights onto your mirror or wall and plug them in. This makes it an excellent choice for renters or anyone who doesn't want to deal with complicated setups. The lights are also quite energy efficient at 24 watts, making them an eco-friendly option. While the lights are bright and chic, their fixed color temperature of 6,000 K might not appeal to everyone. They also lack the adjustable color modes found in pricier options. However, for under $14, this product offers great value, especially for beginners or those on a tight budget. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills lighting solution, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Concott Hollywood-style LED vanity lights, the budget champion of our list. For just $11.66, you get 10 dimmable bulbs with adjustable color temperatures ranging from warm white, 3,000 K, to daylight, 6,500 K. This flexibility makes it ideal for various lighting needs, whether you're applying makeup, dressing up, or simply adding some ambiance to your space. The brightness is adjustable in 9 levels, and it even has a memory function to recall your last settings, a rare feature at this price point. The design is modern and minimal, with a USB-powered setup that allows you to connect it to a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter. The included adhesive stickers make installation a breeze, and the ability to adjust the bulb spacing ensures a neat and tidy setup. On the flip side, the plastic build, while lightweight, isn't the most durable, and the adhesive may not hold well on irregular surfaces. Overall, this is the perfect pick for anyone looking for an affordable yet feature-rich vanity lighting solution. It's especially great for dorm rooms, rental apartments, or anyone who wants a quick and easy DIY Hollywood mirror setup without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Zarbida Black Modern Vanity Light Fixtures. These lights are a step up in both style and durability, with a matte black finish and clear glass shades that bring a sleek, modern aesthetic to any space. The all-metal construction is sturdy and scratch-resistant, ensuring these lights maintain their premium look over time. Plus, the E26 ceramic sockets are heat-resistant, making them compatible with a variety of bulbs, including LED, incandescent, and halogen. One standout feature is the reversible mounting option, allowing you to install the fixture facing up or down to suit your space. Whether it's your bathroom, hallway, or even your living room, these lights add a sophisticated touch. However, keep in mind that the bulbs are not included, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Assembly is also required, but it's fairly straightforward. The Zarbida vanity lights strike a balance between elegance and functionality. At $32.99, they're on the pricier side of this list, but their durability, design, and versatility make them worth the investment for anyone looking to elevate their home lighting setup. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Concott LED Vanity Mirror Lights. With 12 stick-on dimmable bulbs, this product offers excellent flexibility and customization. The lights feature 3 adjustable color temperatures, 3,000 K, 4,500 K, and 6,500 K, along with 10 brightness levels, ensuring you always have the perfect lighting for your needs. The design includes adjustable bulb spacing, which allows you to adapt the setup to different mirror sizes without a messy look. Installation is incredibly user-friendly. just stick the bulbs on using the included 3M adhesive pads, plug in the USB cable, and you're all set. The lights are lightweight but sturdy, and the 6-foot cable provides plenty of reach. However, like other stick-on models, the adhesive strength might diminish over time, especially in humid environments. At $12.99. The new Kaz lights offer exceptional value for their versatility and feature set. They're an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vanity lighting without committing to a more permanent fixture. Whether you're into makeup, photography, or just enhancing your space, these lights deliver great performance at an affordable price. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Vanity brushed nickel bathroom light fixtures. This is the most premium option in our lineup, and it's easy to see why. The brushed nickel finish and milky white frosted glass shades exude sophistication, making this an excellent choice for modern and minimalist interiors. The double-layer spray painting process ensures durability, while the E26 heat-resistant sockets are compatible with a wide range of bulbs, giving you the flexibility to customize your lighting. What sets this product apart is its exceptional build quality. The all-metal construction feels robust, and the frosted glass shades diffuse light beautifully, creating a soft, eye-friendly glow. Installation is straightforward, and the reversible mounting option allows you to position the fixture facing upward or downward. However, at $33.13, it's the most expensive option on this list, and you'll need to purchase bulbs separately. If you're looking for a high-quality, stylish lighting fixture that enhances your space's ambiance, the Vanity light is worth every penny. It's perfect for those who want a long-lasting, elegant solution for their bathroom, dressing room, or any other area where lighting matters most. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.